point to the committee where your letter or any communication to the County Public Service Board touching on the appointment of the first gentleman appears.
Thank you, Chair, honorable members. When I got this information, I wrote the first letter to the Secretary Public Service Board.
What is the date of that letter?
22nd of November.
What did you inquire from the County Public Service Board?
I was requesting to know about the arranged appointment of the first gentleman and a few other people that I listed in my letter.
Did you get a response from the County Public Service Board?
Yes,
Where
but I need to say the same letter was copied to other offices.
Thank you. Can you indicate whether you got a response from the office of the County Public Service Board?
Yes, I got a letter.
And what was the date of that response?
23rd of November.
23rd of November.
Yes.
And what was the response that is contained in that letter?
The response from the Public Service Board is that the first gentleman was not employed by the Public Service Board.
Thank you very much. Did you take any other step to confirm whether the first gentleman is drawing any remuneration of any kind from the county government of Meru?
Yes.
And how did you do that confirmation?
I indeed a letter to the payroll manager.
Yes. Where is that letter? In your bundle of documents, still at volume 2?
Yes.
What page is it?
Is page 54.
54 of a bundle. Is that your letter? Are you sure?
That is the response that I got.
Yes. And what was the response from the payroll master?
Is that they are not in the payroll.
Then he is not in the payroll.
Yes, he is not in the payroll.
You have heard you are being asked to take some time. Yes. Today we are very strict with time. Yeah.
Chair, we will need 1.5 hours minimum if this is the sole witness, because my assumption is if he is the sole witness, then he is the one that will speak to every allegation in the impeachment motion and every claim made by the governor in response to that impeachment motion. So we pray that you give us 90 minutes of cross-examination.
Very good. This special committee of the Senate will not gag anybody. We therefore give you 120 minutes, 2 hours, and the county assembly, you have 90 minutes plus an extra 10 minutes should you need it. Governor, you have been in office for that long, but just 64 days after being in office, your colleagues who are elected by you, alongside with you, are asking the Senate that you go away forever, just after 64 days. And they have not just come shouting, they have come with 62 grounds. I'm therefore giving you 2 hours to move slowly, meticulously. You discharge yourself on each and every one of those 62 counts. We will allow you. And members of County Assembly will further allow you to ensure that you prove your case on every count.
You've also come across the accusation that the governor has appointed certain people who either do not qualify or without following procedure into public office?
Yes, I'm aware.
Who were those people that are said to have been appointed by the governor?
There is one Munene Samaritan.
One Munene Samaritan,
There is one Enere Mzungu.
Ende Muzungu,
And there is one Ernest Mutembei.
Again, as the chief of staff, are those employees of the county?
No, they are not.
Did you ever seek to confirm their status, the employment status with the county?
Yes, I did.
Can you show this committee where you sought to establish their status?
I wrote letters to the Public Service Board. I wrote, that is in page number 49. I wrote the letter to the Chief Officer, Legal Affairs at the Public Service and Administration, and to the payroll.
All those letters are appearing, following each other from page 49 onwards.
Yes.
And what was the response from the County Public Service Board?
They all responded with the attached letters that those are not employees of the county government of Meru and they are not earning any money or any pay from county government of Meru.